What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Got a little something special today for this video. We're on our way to Colorado. It is 5 in the morning, Friday morning. Took the day off. Gonna go pick up something. Got the trailer hooked up. Something new for the channel. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're at the place where we're hooking up the new toy, the new build for the channel, Rob's Customs. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on this new 2021 Can-Am Maverick X3 RS.
Perfect.
Alright guys, there she is, 2021 Can-Am 4-seater. I was waiting, I did put an order in for a 22, the 120 horsepower, but I've been waiting for 6 months and they're still pushing it. They're still pushing probably another 4 to 6 months to get the 22, so I just said hell with it. They had a 21 here in Cortez, Colorado. Fun Center, here at Fun Center in Cortez, Colorado. They had this bad boy here, so I picked it up. You guys want, if you guys need anything here, Can-Am wise, Razor wise, hit up John at Fun Center Cortez and see what he's got in stock, see what he's got available. So like I said guys, this is the new toy to Rob's Customs. I'm gonna do a lot of videos on it. I'm gonna add a lot of stuff to it. I'm gonna add some sound, a system to it. I'm gonna add a lot of things to it and then do a review. Like I said, this thing's brand new and go from there. It kind of sucks that I didn't get the 22. I gotta wait forever to get it, so my kids are excited about it, so we are locked and loaded and ready to hit back to Albuquerque, New Mexico. But yeah, here she is. She's a beast. This is the 172 horsepower, the Can-Am Blue, Octane Blue Maverick RS. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos. Something new to the channel. Some news, you know, if any of you guys already have Can-Ams, you know, it'll be something new to the channel for you guys to watch. Alright guys, time to head home.